I think it's time you met my daughter.
Your child?
Yeah, I mean, we've been dating for a while.
3 months isn't a while. Like, maybe in dog years, maybe.
Listen, she's very sweet. She loves everybody. She'll love you. Let me. Crystal!
Okay.
Daddy has a friend he'd like you to meet.
Coming, Daddy.
I love you. She's gonna love you. Oh, when you talk to her, make sure you talk to her down on her level. She doesn't like it when people talk above her.
Oh.
Daddy.
Oh. Hey, baby. I have someone I want you to meet. Daddy's new girlfriend, Maya. Hi, Crystal. I am your daddy's, girlfriend. I